What if I told you AI opportunities are hiding in plain sight right now, and most people don't even realize they exist? While everyone else keeps chasing the same saturated online methods, artificial intelligence has quietly opened completely new paths for beginners to build projects, offer services, and create useful digital products. Today I'm going to walk you through 5 AI opportunities. These aren't income promises. These are practical, real-world ways that everyday people are exploring to learn new skills and build something of their own online. Let's start with the first opportunity, because this one is incredibly powerful. It's something I call AI content repurposing and research. The old way of creating content was guessing what might work. The smarter, modern approach uses data to guide you. That's where tools like Surfer SEO come in. Surfer SEO analyzes what's already performing well online, shows you gaps in the content, and helps you structure articles so they're more useful and more likely to be discovered. You might see a trending idea on TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter. Instead of copying it, you use AI to transform that concept into a blog post, a short-form video script, or even a carousel. Surfer SEO guides you on how to shape that content so it's clear, helpful, and relevant. If you want to try it yourself, I've placed a link in the description. The second opportunity is becoming an AI helper for local businesses. Most small business owners know AI exists, but they don't know where to begin, and they don't have time to figure it all out. That's where you come in. You don't need to write code. You simply help them use beginner-friendly tools like TDO for AI chatbots, OpusClip for repurposing their videos, or Notion AI to organize their workflow. Restaurants, gyms, salons, and estate agents all benefit from simple AI systems that save them time, and most of them aren't working with anyone who understands AI at even a basic level. The third opportunity is creating AI-powered digital products. This is one of the easiest starting points for beginners. AI can help you design printable planners, journals, templates, digital art, recipe packs, meditation scripts, children's activity books, and so much more. The secret is targeting niches where people value the finished product, not the method it was created with. A great tool for this is Canva. The fourth opportunity is using AI to amplify skills you already have. You don't need to replace your skill set. AI helps you scale it. Writers can use Surfer SEO and ChatGPT to produce well-structured articles faster. Designers can use Canva and AI image tools to create concepts instantly. Virtual assistants can use Zapier to automate time-consuming tasks for their clients. AI essentially becomes your extra pair of hands, helping you deliver more value without burning out. Our fifth opportunity is becoming an AI-powered information curator. AI can analyze information extremely quickly, which allows you to package insights in ways that help others save time. You can summarize complex topics, track trends, analyze market data, compare tools, or monitor sentiment in a specific niche. Then you turn those insights into newsletters, short-form videos, blog posts, or simple reports that people find genuinely helpful. And here's the most important part. None of these opportunities require you to be a programmer. None of them require a big budget, and none of them promise instant results. But AI has lowered the barrier so that beginners can explore, experiment, and create things much faster than before. Pick just one opportunity that resonates with you and explore it for the next week. Use it as a starting point. Build something small, learn as you go, and if you want links to the tools I mentioned, they're all in the description. YouTube thinks you would like to watch the video on screen next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.